How many developer hours are lost every week to manually stitching together release notes from cryptic commit logs? If your team uses semantic versioning but still struggles to track breaking changes across 15 PRs per sprint, you're not alone. This skill parses conventional commit messages with regex precision, summarizes pull request bodies using NLP clustering, auto-detects version bumps from Git tags, integrates with GitHub Actions workflows, and renders notes in customizable Markdown templates. Whether you're a DevOps engineer juggling CI pipelines, a lead developer enforcing versioning standards, or a maintainer drowning in merge commit noise, this tool becomes your documentation co-pilot. Say goodbye to those "I swear that fix was in last week's notes" moments. Here's what's inside the automating release notes skill. It includes conventional commit parser with Angular style header extraction, PR title/body summarizer using transformer based text compression, semantic version detector that respects SemVer 2.0 rules, pre-built CI/CD connectors for major platforms, and a handlebars template engine for custom formatting. The skill analyzes Git history to group features/fixes by scope, identifies breaking changes through commit footer parsing, and generates change logs aligned with version tags. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. And it works everywhere: Cloud Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Documentation that writes itself? Now that's a version worth shipping. Installing the automating release notes skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add automating-release-notes. That's it. You'll download the complete skill package containing expert level guidance, production ready code templates, and annotated commit history examples. This changes everything. Your next Claude Code session automatically recognizes conventional commit patterns. Your AI assistant now understands semantic versioning contexts, and your PR summaries become instantly actionable. No more yak shaving through merge commit timelines. Just type the command and let your release notes write themselves.